welcome to ERi-TV Evening News. Today is Sunday, 19th of May 2024. Here are stories making headlines. Message of congratulations. ERi flag wave program in London. China slams provocative U.S. naval force invocation of UNCLOS. Delhi records season's hottest day with 47.4 degrees Celsius. Leaders of Chad, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Singapore have sent messages of congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea on the occasion of the 33rd Independence Day anniversary. In their message, General Mahamat Idris Deby Itno of the Republic of Chad, President Hakainde Hichilema of the Republic of Zambia, President Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and President Tharman Shanmugaratnam of the Republic of Singapore wished good health to President Isaias Afwerki and peace and prosperity to Eritrean people. They also expressed their country's readiness to develop bilateral ties with Eritrea. Eritrean nationals in London celebrated the 33rd Independence Day anniversary on 18th of May with a car parade that filled the streets of London with bright colors. The ERi flag wave program was part of the celebration being conducted by nationals both inside the country and abroad under the theme Peace Anchored on Resilience. The program attested to the respect the Eritrean people have for their independence and flag, as well as their heroism and resilience. The event saw numerous Eritreans waving their country's flag in the streets of London and distributing pamphlets that depict the deep meaning of independence to the Eritrean people. The PFDG office in the southern region organized a social science training for 195 individuals, including 109 women from 12 subzones in the region. The training was conducted from 6th to 16th May. The program covered various topics, including the objective situation in the homeland and national priorities, national choice in terms of national interest, psychological warfare, religion and extremism, the role of youth and women in national affairs, nation and nationality, Eritrean history, the resilience of ideology and politics, the national charter, and the importance of strong organizational capacity. Mr. Idris Ali, head of political affairs for the PFDG in the southern region, reported that the participants included 119 from PFDG organizations and 76 from civil service. He commended the strong participation demonstrated by the trainees. Mrs. Amete Ngusa, secretary of the PFDG in the region, stated that the training aimed to enhance the public's understanding and awareness and to nurture productive and responsible citizens. She encouraged the trainees to become exemplary in their workplaces and to actively contribute to development programs. Mr. Habta Abdesfatsen, governor of the region, also commended the organization of the training program and urged the trainees to enhance their participation in national affairs. We're live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. A Chinese military spokesperson on Friday slammed a U.S. military vessel's recent provocative moves, stating that the U.S. side's invocation of the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, which is UNCLOS, reveals its hegemonic nature. Zhang Xiaogang, a spokesperson for the Ministry of National Defense, made the remarks at the press conference in response to a media query about U.S. guided missile destroyer USS Halsey's sailing through the Taiwan Strait and trespassing into China's territorial sea. The U.S. military vessel sailed through the Taiwan Strait, trespassing into the territorial sea and international waters of China's Shisha Kwandao, and publicly hyped the move. The Chinese side strongly deplored and firmly opposes this and has lodged Solomon representations within the U.S. side, according to Zhang. Shisha Kwandao is China's inherent territory. The Chinese government released the baseline of the territorial sea of Shisha Kwandao as early as 1996. He said that what they did was in line with international law and practices. The U.S. side is not state party to UNCLOS, but it has repeatedly invoked the convention to make an issue of it and even sent military vessels to intrude into the territorial sea and internal waters of Shisha Kwandao, according to Zhang. Indian capital city recorded the season's hottest day on Friday, with the mercury soaring to 47.7 degrees Celsius, confirmed the Indian Meteorological Department's IMD. The Najafgarh area in southwest Delhi recorded the highest temperature of 47.4 degrees Celsius, followed by Mungeshpur area at 46.5 degrees Celsius, Ayanagar at 46.2 degrees Celsius, Jafarpur at 45.9 degrees Celsius, Palam at 45.1 degrees Celsius, Ridge at 45 degrees Celsius, and the Lodhi Road area at 43.8 degrees Celsius. The areas adjacent to Delhi also recorded unbearable heatwave, with Noida at 45.2 degrees Celsius and Gurugram at 44.6 degrees Celsius. In a statement, the IMD said that the heatwave conditions would prevail in Delhi and surrounding areas for the next couple of days. Meanwhile, amid the heatwave, fire accidents were reported from as many as 4 places across the Indian capital. Firefighting and rescue workers were in progress at all 3 places. No human injury or casualty was reported yet. Before we go, we have a quick recap of top stars. Message of congratulations. ERi flag wave program in London. China slams provocative U.S. naval moves in invocation of UNCLOS. And Delhi records season's hottest day with 47.4 degrees Celsius. And that wraps up our news broadcast for now. Thank you for watching.